Hi guys! For today's video, ang gagawin natin is one of the well-known Filipino desserts. Ito ang pichi-pichi, ube and pandan flavor. So, let's get started! Ang mga kailangan nating sangkap ay grated cassava, grated coconut for coating, water, lye water, ube and pandan flavoring, and sugar. Sa isang mixing bowl, ilagay ang ating grated cassava. Take note po, after gadgarin ng cassava, pigaan ito ng bahagya sapagkat mayroong mga cassava na ang katas ay mapait. Yes, bitter din po sila. Katulad mo nung iniwan ka niya. Char! Isunod na ilagay ang 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon lye water. Kung gusto nyong medyo makunat ang pichi-pichi, just add another teaspoon of it. Use another mixing bowl because we will divide the cassava mixture into 2 for ube and pandan flavor. Just add half teaspoon of pandan and ube extract. Haluin lang ng mabuti until well incorporated. Let's put some scoop of mixture in our molders. Make sure that molders are greased with oil para hindi ito manikit. Pagkatapos, ilagay ito sa steamer and steam for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So habang piniprepare natin ito, let's have our trivia. Did you know that cassava is a calorie-rich vegetable that contains plenty of carbohydrate and key vitamins and minerals that is good for the body? But it also contains cyanogenic glycosides, which can result in fatal cyanide poisoning if not properly detoxified before being consumed. Bago natin tanggalin sa molder, just let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Para mas lalong sumarap ang ating pichi-pichi, just roll it in grated coconut or grated cheese. And this is our soft, chewy, and yummy pichi-pichi. Enjoy!